What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be reacting to types of people on airplanes by level of serve. Now, last time I was on an airplane, it was like a couple of years ago or something. So this should either be pretty relatable or it won't be as much, but I'm pretty sure it will be. But either way, it's going to be a pretty funny video as always. So enough of that, let's get right into the video.
The annoying kid who keeps kicking the back of your seat.
Of course. Tuffy. It's like they intentionally try to make you mad. He's acting like he didn't know that he was the one kicking the seat.
The creep who won't stop looking over at your screen.
Oh boy. My boy Noah.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. I can help you with something? No, nothing.
If you have your own screen, just look at that.
Yo, bro!
The baby who will inevitably cry the entire flight.
Wait, is he the baby? I don't know. Yeah, he's supposed to be the baby.
The person who needs you to know that they fly a lot.
Yeah, I fly a lot. I'm always going.
Of course, he's got long hair.
Fort Lauderdale. Okay. Like, I was stationed in Valparaiso, Eglin Air Force Base, Florida. So, like, I'm always going back. I'm always flying back and forth from here to there in that area too. Because they had me stationed in Houston before, so I was like always taking trips back and forth, flying American. And then I used to fly Continental until they merged with United. So it's like I'm still running with them. I don't even remember like how many miles I have anymore because I just fly so much. So it's kind of crazy actually. And where are you from? Maryland. I used to fly to DC back in it was 84, 85. See, we had this investment firm, and we'd always be taking flights from DC to Houston.
The person who won't stop talking.
And that was the thing. They had me stationed in
Yeah,
Andrews.
him.
I used to fly their B-12 fighter jets,
Saw that
and
coming.
they moved me to a different
Yeah, I saw that
department,
coming.
and that's why I've been stationed here back and forth. And see, my wife, she never
Basecamp
wants me to go
Wagons.
to. They always have trips in Vegas, like company meetings and stuff like that. So I'm always between the back there and forth. And that's when, right after I got out of the Navy, that's when I knew I was, I didn't want to stay here anymore because like flying from back and forth. It was
He's
too
looking at
much.
the camera.
So I mean, where do you go to college? You in college?
Yeah, Drexel in Philly.
Philly. Oh, Drexel. I had some of that. That's a great engineering school. Yeah, they I had some of my interns that actually came from Drexel. Smart.
Yeah,
smart
how much
people.
longer is
It's
this
really
going to
cool.
be?
So what's your major?
Seriously.
Film. Oh, film. That's awesome. My nephew is big into like films.
The stranger who falls asleep on your shoulder.
Oh no. Oh no. I see this all the time in TV shows and movies. All the time.
Yo, bro. My bad. The middle-aged white guy with the laptop.
Of course. Talking really loud.
The person who's never flown before.
Oh boy.
Sorry, I'm nervous. I'm really nervous.
You're good, bro.
Yeah, I get anxiety really bad. I've never been on a plane before. There's some
Oh my
turbulence.
gosh. You sweating?
I'm getting a lot of nerves. Oh my gosh. I'm going down. Bro.
It's not that
We haven't
serious.
even moved yet. The plane's still on the ground. Relax.
We're not off the ground yet?
No.
Yeah.
People are still boarding. Like, we're good.
The plane's not up in the
We haven't
air?
moved an inch, bro.
We're not in the air?
Oh
Nah,
my
bro. But we
gosh.
haven't even taken off. Like, we need to relax. Just calm.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
The person who thinks they're being clever by not switching their phone to airplane mode.
If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now.
Hell no. Look. I'm not gonna switch it. Look.
He is straight
I'm a
savage.
Wi-Fi. I'm not switching it. What y'all gonna do to me? Nothing.
The person who won't stop getting up to use the bathroom.
Oh no.
Excuse me, I actually have to use the bathroom. Let's get up real quick. Sorry.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, this is me sometimes if I...
Bathroom real quick.
Yeah, it's me sometimes if I have to like use the restroom or something whenever I was on a plane. Usually I sit at the window seat because that's just always where I happen to be. And sometimes I have to get up to use the restroom. But I don't go a whole lot. It's only like a couple times. But still, it's pretty awkward when you have to like move in front of the person to try and get out. I don't know. Let me guess, he has to go again right as he sits down.
Okay.
That's legit how it be sometimes. That's legit how it feels sometimes.
Go again. Sorry about that. Really good.
Of course.
Bro, come on.
Just sit at the edge.
Sorry.
Just sit at the edge.
Back real quick. I just have to. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh.
Bro. Sorry about that. Come on, bro.
Left something in the
Oh
bathroom.
my
Right?
gosh.
Bro, you excuse me. God was joking.
The one
Just at the
overweight
end.
person on the flight who you get stuck next
Oh
to.
boy.
22A, 23A. Oh, 23A. This is me. Excuse me.
Yo.
Could you scoot over a little bit?
Oh my gosh.
More space. Oh, I need to use the bathroom. Excuse me.
So he's like the other guy
The
too.
person whose arm is all up on your armrest.
Yeah.
Oh, you good, bro?
Oh boy.
No. This is
Oh
mine.
boy.
You had yours.
No, because the way she takes
Yeah, I know, but if you have yours over there, sir. So what?
Put your arm in here. Go back. Bro.
Stop. This is where my arm's supposed to go.
My right here.
No, you have that one over there.
No, this is mine.
Yeah, you have another armrest for a reason.
Stop. No, bro.
The person who thinks it's appropriate to bring fast food on board and stink up the whole plane.
I've never personally dealt with that. I never personally had that happen to me whenever I was on the plane. He's got the SpongeBob noise in the video.
You know what I mean? Sorry.
Alright, you guys made it.
So that's the video. As always, it's pretty funny as every Love Absurd video is. Some of that stuff on the plane was pretty relatable, obviously, especially with the bathroom one. So if you liked it, leave a comment down below saying if you want to see more of this stuff. If you liked it, leave a like down below, hit the subscribe button, and stay boss, fam. Yeet.